if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame? My tears a river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. If only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky can we rise by helping others, so feel your brother's pain. Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the pain won't show. If only you knew. Says if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, Sky King says if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame? My tears a river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. If only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky can we rise by helping others, so feel your brother's pain. Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame? My tears a river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. If only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky can we rise by helping others, so feel your brother's pain. Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only.
Yo, miapa nukwalo madakwa na miabaleke mi ga chia Vimba TV. Ba tona boleh puhio laka mi dakwa na mau mi gateng yang kosen. Amo yang kosen na Facebook apa na miabaleke yo leka kwa film le bapa wona me. Kukira kabaro yo ke termino asitromik botane yang kosen na Facebook live ni le YouTube ke majiji gua mi ada satellite la banya semnya pongko ke nya honorable Rafael Walasi Dugbe ele mi abo honorable wisdom
Yo, Tony Mezado, mãe.
yeah yo Okay, amwaka.
Mauta mifo.
Ajoji namba hoji bani nam aleka ni agonje ke ple nyap nyaka kakade chemical dade an chocho barugba so nyade te nyap municipality executive adlole nyap wonaji the fida kawaima either kwa a whole municipality to get agri center and 24-hour market. Macklin this month, the whole municipality is set to receive an agricultural center as part of the government's plan to establish 50 such centers across Ghana. And this was disclosed by Honorable Stephen Adom on Friday, 30th January. And according to Honorable Stephen Adom, the municipality has recorded an increase of 25% in its internally generated fund since he took office. He also revealed that the municipality has received close to 10 million Ghana cedis from the District Assembly's Common Fund. The MC further announced plans to build a lodge at the whole market to transform it into a 24-hour market, and this initiative aims to boost economic activity in the municipality. That period, nyapa mama fiamra was in Adom, blog yoko 10 million Ghana cedis to District Assembly's Common Fund Bobo. All of yo bagbaje yo ado amajo jefe ne amyokata ikele ashima vambe o bachashe premier wo akpo jefe alumro pe nyama onye nya ike fore te cho ya ponto mo cho ke fila be ke bai ke mi ko polo afi honorable napuma mi be ya ko mo ko wa ko akoto ta flache kande ne ta pon polo kata ale ke mi chimo be re wona anyo ku ya do ke bakami kaka onye mo da ndo mi ja ba ko tani masrete pareta ya mo ga pe mi session honorable to ha na chaka mi ale ke mi buwe wisdom
Yo, Tony, madu agbenzina wonto, bele wo team of producers. Madu agbenzi toke na miape enukbola vivio, yo kele miape le various media platforms oji. Wawe le todo, wawe hoji body na mi, chebe mi gava, be mi agajuru nyame pleo. Tony, enye ike miape honorable MC fode ete alunya yoke o fode ete le nyicho fida gbea enye amerike eno anyi de ekpoli ko mefifia menye enya yi namu elabe menye assembly member, and then for that matter meganye the chairman for development planning subcommittee ikefia be luciano ikenye ngoyi do yoke aijile miape no to mea menyano chung alo meleto mene and miape 2026-2029 medium term development plan kemi wa hemi cha miape zone wa maton yoke le miase la whole municipality ya menota gbene mi denu to maume va bia nu yoke nyope hanyo no mawa ami lede agbaleji abe mi apepe ne pedo wonu ta epede siade ha mi ano no chome cover no ikemi yobe annual action plan me mapo abota na mi ape regional minister Honorable James Kurudu mi ape MP na Bosilva MC Honorable Stephen Adomple ame yopete heavily. Ultimately, me at the Pena, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the end of our I present one member of the Ghana. A penny Kahana Wava, Miapeho, Titina, no door. Tony, the Miape population, Mula Ho municipality, Akbabe over 60% of Miape population. Any America fall within the youth bracket. gake nublanutɔ ya dɔwɔƒe adodoewo mele mía si eye woke ana dɔwɔɖoe sɔhe hatsotso gbogbo mawo eya ta akpɔ be agbenɔnɔa esesẽ na mí le nɔto me eye ame sia ame dze agbagba eya ta akpɔ be ɔkada kuku kple kando ƒe kukua eva zu dɔwɔɖoe na sɔhe geɖe. Of course amewo ɖewo kura wonye skilled labour gake ɖe dɔ ƒe anyimanɔmanɔ ta woge ɖe edɔ kpɔtsɔkpɔtsɔwo me be yewomanɔ anyi naneke mawɔ. Now ame ɖa bia be agric center aɖe nuka ƒe video ahe fi na mi. Ne kpɔ míaƒe enutomea akpɔ be arable lands anyigba dami wole mía si yiwo ke nyo be woada agble ɖe si edzi ne yi ɖe xɔdzo nutome kakakaka ne kpeŋɔe takala xɔdzo elɔe va to matse dutasɔnɔ tome kaka across the municipality akpɔ be anyigbawo le eye ame geɖewo tsɛ wole agbagba dze le agble de gake center ya ƒe anyimanɔmanɔ ena be kuxi geɖewo le gbã eyi ke inputwo mele o tractor kple enu yiwo ke akpe ɖe ame be woada agble ta eheva zu manpower eye ne wòwɔ nenema koa agbledede eva le asi xɔ. Now ne amewo kpe fu wode agble vɔa ok le agbledede me kura ame geɖewo gale traditional methods zã mana akpɔ ɖe ŋu ɖeka mekpɔ ame ɖe wòde agble eyi ke wòfa ebli etsi eɖo mu me le major season eyi ke susu nɔ si be wòa agaƒo apli ɖe teƒe ma ke le minor season ta eyi ke ebli etsi mekpɔ ƒo la ame gava wu atike ɖe ebli tsitsi ma me yi ke be egbe vivi yiwo ke le ma ele mɔkpɔ be hafi ebli ne ƒo la egbe mawo ne wòaku gake le nugɔme kuku mea ebli ma yi ke tsi hemekpɔ ƒo ha ɖe wa egbɔ atike lɔge akɔ de ebli me ta ebli yi ke woɖe le agble me hafi le kɔkɔ ve egbe miaɖua already ele unwholesome elabe atike ge ɖe me ta agric center la gbã ele kpekpe ɖe mía ŋu gbe be input woanɔ anyi tractor kple etɔwo fima akpɔ be subsidized fertilizer kple egbewo tike woanɔ fima enu bubu yi ke woaganɔ na mí nye be ana míaƒe agbledelawo eyi ke extension officer wo le anyinɔgbe tafradze woanɔ agbledelawo ŋu aɖo aɖaŋu na wo ta akpɔ be míava kpɔ that kind of skilled farmers wo eyi ke woazã the modern practices akɔ da agble. Now ne mi tso le fi mia magana instance ɖeka aƒetɔ ɖe ele mɔlu gble de le nyiwo electoral area nye kle ƒe nutowo me eyi ke mɔlua tsi wòhiã be woa harvest eva diga be woava xa mɔlu na yewo gake emɔ yi ke ava xa mɔlua disappoint wo eye ɣeyiɣi va le yi etsi de asi dzadza mea ehiã be wòava kɔ amewo ne woakɔ asi ava xa mɔlu le ya wɔwɔ mea egayi nugbe zã fifia eyi ke woxa mɔlua vɔa ele be woagakɔ asi ava ƒo mɔlua ƒetee eye woava kɔ emɔ bubu ava gbɔ eɖiwo le mɔlua me le yawo ƒetee wɔwɔ mea egale nugbe yi ta akpɔ be that kind of post harvest losses yiwo ke mi nɔ kpɔkpɔ tsã center ya ƒe vava egbɔ wɔ gbe be enu mawo dzi na ɖiɖi. Now ne mi tso le fi mia indirectly mi gale implement na amewo gbe elabe ne agblemenukuwo wodo agbogbo eye mi employ amewo ɖe agble dzi eyi ke wova xa nuku mawo vɔa ame yiwo ke le transport industry ma wole dɔ kpɔ be woayi agblewo dzi ava convey produce yiwo ke miakpɔ le agblewo dzi akɔ va teƒe yiwo ke woadzra wo ɖo le kple teƒe yiwo ke woakɔ wo yi asi me le. Then of course ame yiwo ke awɔ packaging kple branding enu mawo be mi makɔ le kpɔɖome míaƒe local rice ko woakɔe de sack me ko naneke atsyɔ̃ ɖoɖo ɖeke manɔ woawɔe somehow ema ƒete wodzi gbɔ ɖiɖi be elabe amewo woanɔ ready be yewoana that kind of branding miaƒe enu yiwo ke nye produce wo be wòadza tsyɔ abe le yi ke mi nɔ gbetatɔwo kpɔ be ne yi eva ge ɖe asime ya ekpɔ local rice woɖo atsyɔ nɛ abe le yi ke akpɔ yiwo ke mi kɔ tso gbeta local rice ƒeƒle adzroe ta eyawo ƒete awɔe be edɔwɔɖoe ava va miaƒe nutome zã eye ne dɔwɔɖoe va kɔa akpɔ be social vices nu madze gadzi wɔwɔwoa woaɖe le mia dome ta enye enu ɖeka yi ke ade mia dzi le agbledede ƒe akpa dzi. Now to the 24-hour market ƒe nya tɔni eyi ke enya ya nɔ vava le miaƒe nutome le ƒe yi ba yi mea enɔ wɔwɔ nam abe enye nane yi ke mate ŋu asɔ le ho gake eyi ke mi va wɔ Volta Fair le ƒe yi ba yi me yi ke wòge ɖe Farmers Day mea menya be amewo de teƒe ma le ŋkeke mea akpɔ be teƒea agbe mele nu gake ne amewo gbɔ tso dɔ me vɔ le fienyi me ne kpɔ amewo ƒe dodo wova le asi ɖi kaka ge ɖe zã me that night life enya nu yi ke nyakpɔ ta egbɔgbɔ va nam dziɖeƒo be no 24-hour market alo economy ƒe nya yi ke gblɔ dukɔkplɔla His Excellency John Dramani Mahama lea enye nane yi ke ate ŋu ayi dzi le ho municipality eya ta initially dodo nɔ tome be miaƒe service center mɔ kple space yi ke nɔ fi mia ne miate kpɔ akɔ fi ma akɔ wɔ 24-hour market gake ŋku le ɖe nuwoa eva wɔ be teƒe ma ma de mia dzi o eya ta eyi ke assembly le dodo wɔ be woakɔ teƒe yi ke amewo na ziɔ ta ɖo eyi ke MC ɖe ŋkɔ na be lodge woakɔ yi ɖe miaƒe hosi gã me Central Market be wòakpe ɖe adzɔdolawo kple asitsalawo ame yiwo ke va na teƒe ma ŋu be o ne be va egbe be yeava ɖi asi etsɔa akpɔ teƒe ɖe akɔ wo ta da ɖo be ame yiwo ke va na amewo mlɔ na woƒe agbawo gbɔ le gbadzadzi le teƒe ma eyi ke mede ame dzi o nu mawo eƒe vava awɔe be agbe yiye agage ɖe miaƒe asi gã kple municipality me eyi ke awɔe be adzɔdonyawoa woagatso afɔ ta maƒo abɔta ne ame yiwo ke le tagbe be dodo nyuie ya ele vava to miaƒe emɔmefia kple ame yiwo ke me yɔ do ŋgɔdzi kɔ ɖo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nu yawo ƒe me vava enye ega yi ke dziɖuɖu wole asi ɖe le ŋu na miaƒe MMDC so alo miaƒe assembly so be woawo ŋutɔ woakɔ wɔ edɔ yiwo ke nye ŋgɔ yi dɔ eye ɖoɖo tɔxɛ le ŋu be ega ɖe sia ɖe yi ke ava ele be wòato emɔ yi kple ekeƒe eya ta ne kpɔ no be no gblɔ miaƒe lãmesẽ ƒe nya va akpɔ be chips compound kple tɔwo le me eye ɖewo le tome fifi la ne yi ɖe ziavi bame ƒe do exɔ ma didi oa age ɖe gbagba me in less than ƒe ɖeka ne va miaƒe nutome ŋtsɔ yi ke mi va wɔ groundsbreaking alo sword cutting na project 37 akpɔ be already wole boreholes wo ɖe wova ɖe nye ƒe electoral area tɔxoxo eyi ke nye kele ƒe atsati me area ɖe yi ke le Sky Plus ƒe fima la ƒo for a very long time etsi menɔ teƒe ma teƒe bubuwo suku kple etɔwo ƒetea ega ƒe vava ena be edɔmawo le afɔ tsɔ eye nu ɖeka yi ke medi be magblɔ nye be project ɖewo yiwo ke dze gɔme le NPP ƒe time le 2014 le assembly me eyi ke o award tso District Assemblies Common Fund Administrator gbɔ tso egekea ega yawo ƒe vava le assembly ma ewɔ be assembly te kple nuƒo kple minister yi ke le in charge na local government be woakpɔ ɖa be eyi ke ga le assembly si ɖe edɔmawo ɖe miaxɔe wòanye assembly ƒe dɔ assembly tɔ akpɔ dɔma dzi axe fe na contractor be wòayi dɔmawo dzi eye wòawu nu be enya yi ke mi nɔ gbɔgblɔ be governance is continuous na wòado ŋutilã eyawo ƒete wole tome elabe kɔba le eyi ke miate ŋu akɔ wɔ dɔmawo ta MC ƒe enya yi ke wòfɔ ɖe tea enye nya nyui eye wòde dziƒo eye nu yi ke ga nyui nye be adzɔga yiwo ke mi xɔna le ho municipality wodzi ɖe dzi by 25%. Efia be miate ŋu agakpɔ IGF project bubu yiwo ke kɔ kpe ɖe ega yiwo ke le government gbɔ tso le vava na assembly so be no wɔ dɔa míawo ŋutɔ le míaƒe nutome míagate ŋu akpɔ ga bubu yiwo ke akpe ɖe emaŋu be ŋgɔyidɔ bubu yiwo ke mí susu be míawɔa míagate ŋu awɔ o. Ta maƒo akɔta na míaƒe mɔmefia, míaƒe dukɔkplɔla kple ame yiwo ƒete le tagbe na Ghana be míawɔ resetting alo reset agenda ne woade blibo Tony woawoe le dɔ dzi.
Yo ŋkpɔnɔ ma ko dometso fia ɖe alebe ne metrɔ be míazɔ ɖe ŋgɔ Honorable Raphael Wɔlasi-Dogbe yi ke nye míaƒe Hope Club ƒe ametia ŋutɔ me ƒe nyaŋuɖela ye ma ƒom fifi la. Eɖo ŋku dzi be míanya ŋkɔ sem le eƒe anyigba TV dzi megbɔna fifi la.
Only, if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, Sky King says if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame? My tears a river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. Oh, if only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky, can we rise by helping others? So feel your brother's pain. Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you. You see, my sister, if only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only.
Some pockets of incidences ojo. Ike ede America for me vionia kokoko elebe waje ta oga de fia nyicho. Mana one instance. Honorable me visa wa kumsen. Abe ekpo video ike woda cover. Me yenye zigbanto ola koda odi. Da cover. Instead when the fourth ballot paper le box eme ne wa cover the ballot box ema. E do le paper sibe. Kodo. Ike camera kranya mesi ame ike hate de fama atenwa kwa ame ike over da corner.
Amako da kona.
Of course, Alaji Dr. Baumia.
We were Dr. Baumia.
Ike who he would do hypertension. He will whole grant interview ne kwa and on board.
Tangma o menye mele povito matanlia fia.
Honorable lady. Ike mele benejo. Eno bubu ike me diwa magabelo nyebe mava afenye me ike nye whole central. Nekbo ako ike NPP toda lepe ne ivaime etia upa flaga chola akobe Honorable Kennedy ohine Japan enya me ike eduji le whole central. Kakene va ike hejo ni chomemle dagwe akobe eva yito enya no kaijwa another
gomedi blonya mana
oduji
Baumia
duji Dr. Baumia kwa me enya me ike eduji le ho notomo
maga Brian make plero
Dr. Baumia kwa afi keno ohine Japan va
letonia
no ike hejo nyebe Tony TV jimele nyama to andala pa ega vivivo pe mama the highest bidder pe nyaonye mato wan bolona even a chodeka la host stadium delegate de ka bolona mbe ike candidate wa meton over boy hafi member la gba oneke ya 1,700 Ghana cedis ebe amevena 500 cedis hafi ametonlena 700 echoke bayi deka lege tromi now nekpo eike NDC towo le last 4 years eike bitia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama eble eke me pite sebe amesa me Kenya delegate eba akobodoga 40 cedis then constituency into eko 20 cedis pe na mi aho central to amesa me nyabe ne yakoda fe aho 60 cedis abe ope bodoga
Never mi managa.
Mi managa.
Dokumia tomo subo.
60 cedis last 4 years. Mele bobolo na obe eike ame disclose. Le candidate wa meton to enye 1,007. Ame versus we to me disclose na mu.
Amia tonya mvovi, o tonya mvoga.
Ame si ame ike va akoda pedi na nele nwa ogbe magbe. Ta ele reasonable ne na amede le podem amede choklavi. Yo dovo kakavaho agadovo aju yo ne 100 cedis as vudoga ele reasonable ada cover pe wakweni esema
ada cover fioko
ne da cover ke eva ho vudoga ke eju
tanga make nya vote buying na ala make ko na vudoga no party e kone no alo candidate
eya mame blobe le mi atobaya His Excellency John Dramani Mahama meye unye yes or no.
That's a one man.
Enami agana application me pete me nyabe am watch te pe aba da kona yi. Ta am say am 40 cities.
Me biambe de me onye amedeka. You see, amedeka yes or no. Me onye ba medeka ita won competition amele kino meta monopoly me.
Enye hemele no for now de. Branch executive me nye fourth term e kele no. E fi abe me race mame ati a flag bearer as e never ho. Men no me adomesibo. Distinction can be given me draw nyebe me a wotola ada cover. Afi wa na obodoga akojo.
Tamio minana ga.
Do minana ga kemenye dongona akoda daw. Gake ame ya wotodi o hoga afi yakoda pe. Tade be agolobe me ato amount to vote by. Me want to amount to vote by in the I disagree on that score.
No, so now but I want the argument to be very valid and very rich.
Yeah.
But no argument minega gavie mina o da coffee minega fine.
Yeah.
Won ha amarobo na gayo afi over dako. Mema. Good. Ya okata gae miena
Melody.
Ta nkenye nyafia.
No ike gbala melenye ega home ike. Ona. Hey, mind you, one of the delegates ever bonye that Saturday dawn. Eno gbabula nambe new lead brother ne Jijo. NPP top delegate onye egbalo nam that dawn be no nyebe do lela eleke push na enyabe 1000 agbalo 1008 nam ike ikpochu candidate to ameto magbo at that time yakpo. So efia kotebe NPP top akoda da eleke amegedi bonela koba fe agbososo genademi be wako dele iko le wata maton be wako fole vote ela be ole koba makona me wa fi wa vadako unlike NDC mi avadako ovo afi wako bodoga na eyine kpoga koba nya gede mi o se tobi akene ko 60 CDC ke bi compare le 1000 7008 eyika bi oko fe be yuke gaba yiji le Saturday anyemese ya hado nekwe sokplea akpo to gan ikelemi now enu ike heta doko yabe Dr. Baumia His Excellency na wa nglonya yakaba nyebe mako a bit of history cover nekmo candidate de sia de ikeva be ya do flag bearer epe second term endorsement ike one from Professor Mills how vice second term endorsement ike one and overwhelming. Nekpo the former president His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo same. Nekpo the current president John Dramani Mahama epe second look here ekpo 95% endorsement or so 91 or so. The recent one ekpo over 95%. Kake nekpo Dr. Baumia pe endorsement he kept party down there this time from 61% to about 54%.
Yeah, nkenyo kuhecho la be vice president onye president so compare with vice enyema just stick anyeka.
No you can adira magolo nyebe. Within every party in Tokwache.
America na you are president so na you. President so na you am a vice onye. Me bo yen top do as president to apply onye vai. That ya gbogbo endorsement that did the compare with president so
enya ike megolo eike His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo and the president be a vice second term na be efe bid over zevele be a flag bearer na because Nana Akufo-Addo me vice first term ko ya odoji is the president the second term over emenye me the president afivawa ya glomele
ke Mahama to ha second.
Exactly.
As president.
As president,
Mahama had been vice.
Yeah.
So in that case, I just stick a muscle.
I make a child.
Let's do a good analysis. Mahama pay kokodeni amere. Yamoso because yaka him unopposed. So competition ke ebichum eje Japan Kennedy Japan. All American pre guy damo lady. that kind of keen competition Mahama has not faced. So I don't see why you should compare.
Me now, His Excellency, the former president, Nana Akufo-Addo.
And how keen was his competition? May Alankashe you want competition, you want to go second season. So the comparison, the basis.
No, you can't even mark So neck more clearly, if first bid, if second bid, it came over. Within every party in Tokwala, that kind of support will have been let's say feel out.
Very well. I think
and
you can make your point.
Honorable,
you can still make your point without giving a shaky premise. Honorable Blessed Kojo Katamani, Kenya catching out of a decision executive ran on the Facebook where they imagine 50% rejection by own people. Ike global vote yake Baumia Ho is barely 50%. Equidade. That you the rejection, but what you have to understand and be honest with yourself is that
yeah.
Emi no refia. Mi menyane Professor Nana Jane Okokwa Jimaye Japanese NDC Pennes flag bearer. Mi menyane Jera Mosquito CDA Unketia. Mi menyane Idrusio. So now you are still in your honeymoon phase. These people have done a good job by passing this test. And you're going to say me.
So, and I get that you have NPP top and you have discuss.
No, I will call Mahama. NPP Penya discuss Mavako ND Evako Mahama Ike cool unopposed. It's not the same. The kind of competition and money that has been thrown out according to you let's go do the comparison.
Competition.
Just make your point.
Competition.
Yeah.
I can never go by figures. About 90,000 of NPP Toronto, and you can endorse the former vice president. The last 4 years, Baonia Flaga Cholanawa, about 90,000 of them, Fifia Omega endorse you. That is dynamic, but that reduction in percentage.
And I'm saying that it's not a problem in politics. Good.
And back to competition, no, competition dole. On them more now at the level playing field. And you remember now, Tony. Be and you have a link kude am a yoke present or look am a Tony Audi. Dr. Educhum. Play the other engineering. I'm a mau.
They are more presidential
than America. Mind you, Kennedy, in Japan, but don't go be afforded the own go do. But one nabe His Excellency the former president Neduji. The former vice president Neduji. And so make more eke ono vote wa make one of our founding fathers. Kra eno gbogbo be o de yi penko le register me. Ike ejekote bela enya ike Kennedy o hini Japan bla deliberately la wo wona ne o be wa afeva amedo.
Amenye penko de is the argument no solid. O de penko unha position errors yo jona even national election we ke mo jisho chofere ko ha o tama jona ba ko mo jem bana mo ta o ke ko card bi o provision no na nyongu ko rafiade na sign badala pa I don't could biometric for 2000 biometric over first time biometric nyaza shibi dia ko dako bi nwaro ko ba chief
nenyebe me no ko le general elections say wa demo be nenyebe error mi over was means bubu ako verify amebe wa dako nemite well general elections kake umewe le open internal elections so ke nyato ako amebe aso
membe de amenenie complain enema e aje ba mo na subo ke argumental sorry akana America akana pa ko which could be administrative and global be electoral commission ever do efugare no where they are
yes so me lo de onya jinyo ba bia nyebe look at woman wa commission be shoot that happen me as a lawyer be am opportunity never want to so do ko le bobola be elo do ko sample be at the show etome at the show tome yo va be domele love ya pa dogolo le gojide ya dogolo le dike nu ike at the culture tome ve already party to ile nyagbolo enya ya di o fe party to ile gbolo lo menye NDC to wa gbolo be mi o de mile na exaggerate alo mile nane kotu afide ike o fe party to we de nya odego ya mi o mile pepe no be mi akpo me da be nu ka ile me ta ma be competition en touch me do no that kino ela be per assessment kemi power ame yo keme Dr. Educhum Pletowa. They are more presidential material than American Covenant ke academia when disitoji ela be lenya tefeme. His Excellency Alaji Dr. Bawumia, the former Vice President Ike Okoya. Menye ameye deke onyami nyanu ike owo ameyike oto odongbe nami be economic messiah oni nenye be the former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo he Ghana oko de kaje vole me wolu tepe ma ike onaminya nisa gomevai kode economic team pengoa Ghana adezo mikpo fi ike Ghana bai miape economic kaka ihe megodo o describe the middle that junk status menu de na nekemo mikpo miape currency eke o kaka vado I think second to last performing currency mikpo inflation rate pleto
me mo ni domlo kwembe party and unite
yo
even though you will be in opposition and you will be ruling forever. Let me end this talk Ghana project. Take me. You are Apomoko go la take me handy. Obe you know the cow here fish. This is what it is.
Me blobe enyama yoka obolo here based on enya yoka me blodo.
I can discuss topic away.
Enya bene bele. We are done with the topic. Me gangolobe Kennedy ohini Japan is unpredictable. Et eke ike mila do for that do he explode ho.
Explode the figure.
Bebe doma he explode that ho.
Anyway, we are journalism, so we are speaking to facts.
Yeah.
We don't have any reason.
You are me with them enega. Keminya be already Musa Dankwa pe research you go for the eke wotia the former vice president bewa anye aflaga chola na tiglinya. Ame yoke he nko semi lebe obe wato for do ko dete be you watch aflaga na ndc ike oko the former vice president per chances of course of play ame yoke ole for dete so far it will opete 40% yenye vote ike o predict alo obe akpo against ame yoke amaton
Musa Dankwa pe researcher wa data kazamole banye historic data ni ke jojom chwa de iva do ba me zamola banye ni jojo ke poto ke gbona fa data zamola
dake Musa Dankwa ye ke ewo efe look research play efe no yo for the 2024 elections dongo eyo don tila
magbedi egbogbo no chome oko sople mahama me menya me na
ebe ewo researcher
mebe no chome o sople du kokrola pepele du kokrola mwa
mebe ameyoke he mile pokpo alo mile sesebe wa vacho aflaga na NDC ameyoke ava de olokwi ko sople the former vice president ikele nya aflaga chola na NPP fifila ikemile no fwa eje kotebe fifila ikemile no fwa Alhaji Dr. Bawumia atwele opete
you Alhaji Dr. Bawumia panko yo mama panko majima samo panko maka nyama
Julius Debra
ekpewu ekpepelenchawu ba Mamudu Bawumia
ne
maka ha
asedun ketia
pepela sedun ketia nchichowu Bawumia
man ebe mi fonu cho figures on ta man
o nyime figure o do nyanchi na ngbo ya machia me akose me
Julius Debra na ode
Tameyo
Atofosin Nenema
ke ha pekpelenchawu Bawumia
Haruna Idrisu
ha pekpelenchawu Mahamudu Bawumia
Nenema
amaka ha
so America
ayo Akpe Mohammed's Global Cloud a champion of African development you have dead elder Mohammed's Global Cloud a champion of African development nyade nataka kada lefia makokono ko wide over Ghana's president John Dramani Mahama has ranked 5th on the prestigious DIVEX Power 50 list of world's most influential figures in development and change making. The recognition is a testament to his tireless efforts in championing the Accra Reset, a bold framework aimed at transforming Africa's relationship with the global north. And according to DVEX, Mohammed's leadership has been instrumental in shaping debates on debt relief, trade reform, climate finance, arguing that Africa must renegotiate its place in the global economic order. The Accra Research seeks to redefine North-South relations, ensuring that countries in the global South are not passive recipients of developmental projects, but active co-designers of investment infrastructure and job creation strategies. Mohammed's vision for Africa is rooted in domestic resource mobilization, regional trade through an African continental trade agreement. Takbira kwa nyata kakara baba amount the poetry akwa katali hikama blogodo yoka dutum he duko tumrango John Dramani mama nye amatonia ameoka mia dengo bonye DVEX Power 50 onya meoko amoba amabla tonro yoka onya me untepo duko la John Dramani mama kwa mu yoga le Europe nicho like Geneva, right? Yeah, tapako but you have a Accra Research, but Africa to corner whoever you have, you put one woman, you put banana, alabu du tuzuro no manye gado do plata hofalo ne kukuda mna ye kubono kwanya chirereko enye nya du koklo ba do gaka myoha yokela global south alo miamekela Africa le global north america America le Europe wa mamo mo ga mia kpo ma ba myo sogbo ko minyeno gaka mi ha mi ametia ko yi global here ba Africa do kore kare hana no Security Council me aba no badam malo no nya dem do wona dem to tout le bufanya to fa nya le ko kata Africa ike nya la u to kata to kata fu kata e ha pa wo na no nya ya to go DVEX ta men me to so na bo no wa fi ma o ma ko ra cho DVEX nchi ma ka nya me o nya bom le de pa la mama ma ke nya ba to ona bo mo tro
yo Tony me blone da be enu nyuito yike jore Ghana jile efedeka kple afan lo fedeka kple jivome eye nyebe mauga ko excellency John Dramani Mahama kona mi abe duko peplola ameda bia benu kata me blonya ya eke his excellency ekplo du le pretem gbanto pege yiomea mise body amenyao nkoyoyo pale nanome Madame Jigedeo and the current flag bearer na NPP described the current president as incompetent and Ogbelonya Gedeo he was corrupt ewo nuka nkoyoyo pleto eti leya opetimea ya His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ya ogbolbe Ghana to mekpolo dukpo anya no mebe ma wo dada vivi de ka vedeo yoke me warrant nko pele no me yoke opposition to no no yo na me ma yo no e ta minamo no popom na matrova na mava de Amerike menye akofia e ke pomi legbe and evivinam ejojinam be egbea His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nto mevana abota popo edoku ya bele ikemikpo ele the former president John Ajekum Kufuor ngoni eyi abota popo ike okwa ekwe outside Africa eike oyi hikeme godope takpekpeme be no be wakpo amewonu tefeo le kiki emegodo ame Balaton banto Balaton yoke ode jesia e place number 5 if ya kote be afforded de yoke ode tome eye on street directives o epe appointees o be ele medibe mi award be Ghana ne kpongo yi eye Ghana view no akpo jijeme ya efia be elezozode alo amema olezozode dodo man eye we be egbe ya mi ato kpobe mi me gafo na ko dade enoji ya kachu abele ke ono mi akpobe mi ape mo me mi fe nyao mi ape gai kele mi asi edo ngo se no bole ji nywede efe yo ke no anyi enye energy sector levy bole to he no anyi o kheo ajoga de o yo ke John Dramani Mahama kpobe onye tetele dumevi ojia edeoda bless sube agbenono ne bobo ike wojije no ya opete kwa okpobe afeto elenu tefewo
tobo nya jojo amikla nya jojo bu ha blonele lo obe debt relief and trade reform pushing for fairer global trade rules
so
and debt relief.
No be debt relief.
Number one,
debt relief. Yeah, me below energy sector levy.
Our Bojidila. Obedi, he is pushing for fairer global trade rules and debt relief for African countries. If you ever for a do about Africa to call Bretton Woods institutions on here, no tagbano cho formado kemi. And you're going to say me, no not but Africa to go. Climate finance, advocating for climate finance that reflects Africa's realities. Logi ganoko adetume, but New York yamad blem, but Jokovava, Echimaga Jan Rungu, in Number 3, health sovereignty, promoting national ownership and fairer global cooperation in healthcare. Nyapa lama senya plale ko blombe hika katana we about vaccine vaccine nyade manye benya no bukaka dollar na ba fi patapata bia no border so chat market research better no agent they should focus on Africa. Number 4, regional integration, supporting regional trade through initiatives like the African Continental Free Trade Agreements. That miyo ukofo ye basis tam majibe because among strong to me I can never melt tomorrow gabazo abe nyapa inflation playing more see the $60 coming down nyayo viable Tony no hold on right there amakawe le ngoni makawe le list when your president over list yenye it's not politics. Number 1 over amagbanto yenye Benjamin Black ikenye chief executive officer US International Development Finance Corporation was talking about global cooperation. Number 2 CD Ta president African Development Bank. Number 3, Anna Makanju, Vice President, Global Impact, OpenAI. Number 4, Alexander Berger, co-founder and CEO, Coefficient Giving. Number 5, John Dramani Mahama. Number 6, Doreen. Ta akoba Muriomola, CEO so business so kekpere kikatanchi. Ta menya local na
regional integration magedemi. Enyabe His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, one of agenda na Africa. Enyebe miakbo ajododo pe katatia bele miamleo. Ta le efe nyi yo ke dongo na efe no kema. Akobe eleike eno ono le du kometa be amedene jidepone no sikura be ne mebema akoda kadede country A mako kadede kode Ghana ikenye country B doma do hivide go bi ma no menamo ela be eno mele zozole Ghana Antonio Edo now fifia akobe efa gbagba jeje nyebe even lemia for West African region ela gbagba de si ade jebe ajo dodo fe kadede memiene no mi adome ta edewo anyebe ne mi akpo local ajo nucho Togo kogbo na Ghana efe lukede ka nyebe ne mi akpo dabe enu yo kenye moko enu ajo ga sesen ple nu bubu do yo ke webe ajo no matonwa va ike mia acha sile mia no dome ne wa amewa efe agenda de kanyebe nu ma no wa deda let me va alam senfe enya ogbo a bo na mejira pe o medori ho nyo de ma tan va jira gbo medu And then maybe I discuss and ya okay ma link it well like be le bia papa me jira do wa. Kemi o abe.
No, academy be okay. So let's discuss. Gaka jeba muna se mwa gome. Academy blonga ko ke mi chong kumene amwalo mi gawo more uneducated than if you were obo mahamala ko number 5 because obo fifi anwa mi fashi. Obo ye treva ya petro fashi ya ga ko do regibe. Anya go se menye ebo ini le fia ogba gagbam fifi gagbam is 12 cedi as we are sitting here. Anya go se me ke ro fia be ne gamaba yi 14 ke mahama eko okpo as number 5 person as a fake. Let's not make the people uneducated. The important thing is that we're talking about global cooperation agenda lo ideas lo susu tamsusu kale tamene ike kokomba echodo hekeve ne hikakata ye and american langonia AI companies so African Development Bank bakona ble de lao ble tong la Africa kata these are the kind of things
we are talking about. Maybe the climate when you oblo Tony ekpobe eno de kaya tamebe nemi le discuss go to mi link play afemi ela be mi akata mi no ko ni fachi o ya me pe totro eyi ya me pe totro apagan tocho mi amegbeto pe no na ogbo le Ghana vevito de kanye atichucho de majegaji pele enu ike mi vaja nyina mi henya galamse be efi oke ave dodole be wa ave dodo anu anyi ike ana ya gbogbo mi be mi o ha mi anu agbe la be there's a saying be when the last tree dies the last man dies as well afọ ike de ole to Ghana be if na wa to galamse no no o ma to no kwevo te pe yo ke dola na wa akhe agbogbo ave o ado ati o ado be wa zo ave a eje gometo ape me ha feel like de Africa pele ke ya me godo ta enu yo ke o ko de te Helen gbogbola menye doko cho yi ko le gbolo le Africa lo ke me godo ele fe de o wole fa fe me ikenye Ghana eyata hihie me o de jesi be enye amewo nu tefe o do metodika no ike madiba ma gbolo na ekwenye be the moment ho ofu abota na la ezo challenge be amole megbe awa o che wa di be yo wa vele ho yo fe nu tefe o neje le criteria yo ke wozan afifu abota na amu wa no megbe wa di be yo fe nu tefe o neje be neje be abota apopo agava yo han yo wa no ngogbe ta fi abe competition e gbo sesen be ha fifia doda si ke jengo nyebe wa ga wewu eyike wole be nenyebe abota popo ya togwi agava le emegbe ya tefe aton le ike ono ne manyoa ne gada fo bango Tony obe nyame le kokodi aha magoloba abota popo a doko ganye eduike ode afonune be na wa kwato aidoji wa agawe a champion course yoke hewole area yoke alo criteria yoke wozan onye no yoke hiana mi amegbeto ela be there's also another saying be half is wealth ta nemi mele la mesese mewa mi mele be ogbe ava poga ta ike onye la mesenya onye criteria de ka ekadede regional integration pleto be ne adjono de le kwado ma be Niger abe sabala pe agbledede le fema hausa nenye be mi Ghana to mi ma to abda agbele eyike wa asumi mi adu aga kodo de gbeta o de leke mi ati aka pele Niger be adjono ma ava mi agbo eye ne de le mi o han gbo ikemele ogbo de leke mi awo be adjono ma wa yogbo afo yoke de ola ma adon sen be na wa ga de afọ ya otogwi ayiji le susu be ha dede alo nu tefe wo ike opole me ha fi fu abotania na wa aga to de eji
akpe nupola honorable Raphael wala si jogbe tefe to mechantoma for jipola for gbema me say okay message aro over Machlando honorable Rishi Agbesuge bro constantly updating us will help. As at 8:30, you guys were still up air, only for me to check and realize that you guys are back on air with a representative from the NDC. Okay, good morning. All right, so honorable. All right, Missy. Agba puke ye the funami itamu inamaro. Yaben dis MPP tohana no nyabofia. Ojomi TV ya esasa hwe awu radio tamira popo mi ka mi. All right, part the message nam. We're great. I'm glad you are back on air. Well, I'm glad you're also following. Um, Lydia Miankosem, Lydia answered, good morning. Great show, great content. All right, good morning to you as well. Bennett Lawson, do message. I have my Facebook. I do message at your Facebook. I love the point. Too much of crash of dialogue. Bennett Makunu message at your message on to not go bad that gome namia later. Make it the streamer very nice. So I love the point. Too much of crash of dialogue. Manyana segom. Okay, message that can have you Abraham Sergio Boy and River Woman. Ever Medekuku na Anyi Nopua Esiwo nye Evaofe Nyamajojo wona miele la won miele la Medekuku na Vanyibati Wamiaza Evagbedede Eye ne wohia wa ade gome. All right, so Medakpono the message all the messages are well taken. Okay, good work, keep it up. Okay, Christiana Diabona do message. Good work, keep it up. All right, thank you, Christian, for that message. Message the Kavaroha. All right, me Uncle Sam, Tina, yeah, following you from Fodoma, yeah, as usual. Thank you very much. This is following us from Community 18. Thank you for doing that. All right, messages on over the stream that we are all seeing them, we are watching it 24/7. Nicola, Tony Magbonia, man among Popona will refer the community the car Aputanami.
Yo, Tony, ma adapena miape enupola. Vivito me yuke elegbeda sidodami. Ike efiabe amole mia follow. Mapo abota na obe ozan pe yi ple ope enu no mesio ke wa akpom wa gado egbeda sioda dokoma aiji aglo na mi ape emome fia be do ike odetumi be wa wole hosieme be wa gako agbegbogbo yi wa avumo be ajodun na wona wa acho afole onuto me ne wa acho la be na minya be koba gbogbo de abe million ewo so yo kokoko so jidudugo kema agagbolo na the minister of agric the president be agbele de nti nunya tepe ike obe wado de mi apenu to ma never kaba be wa akpede mi anu be mia adomia pe agledenya odengo ebe wa he enududu pediti no no pele efe agbososo akova mia pe no to me ne mi po osobola e kama mia to ado de tepe bubuche e wa ahega ava emoto me do agbanzina wonto pele mia pe etolola
yo akono honorable Raphael Dogwe wala si Dogwe lokoto assembly manola kake ganyanya ndala ne NDC afokunya de jocho nyombiare bagbet donchi immigration to pula them and that was bad news manyana senya macho yeah so that
mesenya de fliga kanya metam kana no follow it bonu click to job
so you go get that one LFOED.com tragedy strikes Volta region as girl drowns. A heartwarming incident has stricken the Volta region where the 6-year-old girl Sarah Nyafo losing her life after drowning in an immigration pond at Sonitra, a suburb of Betwe, according to the Ghana National Fire Service. The incident occurred on Sunday, 1st, 2026, when Sarah accompanied other children to wash her clothes. So that's a current story. he came in for it. It's too bad. So sorry for that family.
Oh.
Sunday, at exactly 5 p.m. Sprinter de Jan le Apeguso. Manyane Mayu Apeguso. And on the spot, I'm gonna put on the outcome of a later. So that's a very bad one also on Sunday from the region. But at the same time, investors from China, which the regional minister and Toby for the Ovadogo and Monofia, oil, so those are something good from the region. And the whole idea as well, the regional minister Chacham, Thomas, members of parliament. On Sunday evening at Stevens Hotel, they all met to map our strategy after having a meeting with the Minister for Foreign Affairs. The district chief executive, so the regional minister is moving across Chacham region of Qatar, out of Bagwajimba, Yakpo project, so Qatar, so just one of these beautiful things, updates from our channel. Tony McBoy, Yakbomi, Madakona Belka, me, would a capaculin, yo, Mabiamoba, Majona, Mawecho, Ga, Andre Tutuko, Madame Yabono, Bapo Kata, Amadoy, a more Godoy, a more in a Marumaga, and the Dandre Mania.
If only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up and